Badgeskins. In this video we're going to do a how-to smoke tint Badgeskin on the tail light of a MK7 Jetta and GLIs. So essentially your package will come with like this, with a left side and a right side. This is a full kit that has the amber deletes and also the clear lens deletes that gives it that nice tint and smoked stealthy look on the tail end of your car. The one thing I do want to mention that is that I believe in the 2020 Jettas, this amber lens is actually red, so you only have the top portion that you would have a smoke kit for. But to go on with the install, just like anything else, with the same routine, you gotta clean the surface area of the tail light, remove any wax, alcohol swab, microfiber cloth, squeaky clean before you apply this. As you can see, this comes as a dry apply, so you gotta be very diligent on how you apply this and squeegee it on with your fingers or actual squeegee. So what we'll do is we'll start off with this one. So that would be this piece here, as you can see. So just like any other Badgeskins, you just gotta remove it from the backing, peel it off, set that aside, and you're just gonna kind of just start off by lining up here. This has a tolerance where it gives you about maybe a millimeter to a half millimeter overlap of the actual lens. So don't align it exactly to the edge of the clear lens part. Just go over, let it overlap just a little bit. And you can kind of see how you have this kind of like border that you can follow in this kind of bright red around the clear part. So that's kind of your guide. So once you tack it down, you just start squeegeeing it and work your way all the way across. And you're gonna do your best to obviously keep it sequenced on how you squeegee this across so that you don't create any air bubbles. A little bit of tension here will always help you guide it. So you can always tweak it up and down when you're back here, but it pretty well follows through pretty good once you have the first tack and you aligned it right away. So here it is here, and then you just go remove the masking at 180 degrees. As you can see, it drastically changes the look of that tail light from clear to smoke. So now we're gonna go on to the trunk section. Same thing, you know, gonna make sure it's depressed down with the masking, and then I'm just gonna pull off the vinyl off the backing. Same scenario here. It's made to have a little bit of overlap. It follows this line here, not the actual clear. So you're going to use these as your guides. You see that little gap. So I'm going to line this up with a little bit of overlap at the back. And a bit of tension here so that it doesn't tack all the way down, so that I can easily squeegee this across with my thumb, bubble free. If I don't like the alignment, I can always pull back a bit. And just keep working it all the way across. Remove the masking. So for the amber section of the tail light, same application process as the top. So I'm just going to remove the amber delete portion, and you can tell it's a little bit different because there's a bit of a curvature, but essentially you do the same thing. You just going to line it up along this border that you have along the amber, and you just go walk it all the way across like you did with all the other ones. Okay, here it is, the Mark 7 Jetta GLI smoked tint Badgeskin for the clear lens and the amber portion of the tail light. Obviously you can tell it really adds a great stealthy look to the car, and it's very simple to apply. And as mentioned before, I believe in the 2020 Jettas that this amber section is already red, so you would only have to do the top two. And it's actually just a great mod to have. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.